Okay, this time it will be founders. And as usual, we'll start with easy one. And so this is first team now. Team 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And the first question to you. Huh? Sure? 2 points. Next for team 3. Sure? 2 points. Next for team 4. Paisa. ठीक है? 2 points. Next team. Akshay Kumar. Tom Cruise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Larry Page, -1. It's Sergey Brin, co-founder of Google. This team. Nothing personal, I'm not handling it. Okay. 2 points. Next team. Sure? 2 points. Next. This team. Huh? Sure? 2 points. Edward Snowden. NSA. National Security Agency. Okay, next question. To you. 2, 1, time up. Anyone? Dennis Ritchie, founder of C Language. This team. Sure? 2 points. See, it's random, okay?
Listen for A team.
अच्छा टीम ए तुम लोग के लिए ट्राई ठीक है इब्राहिम ठीक है डिफिकल्ट राउंड नाउ एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस टीम तू कब से उस पे अटका लारी पेज पे श्योर लारी पेज 2 पॉइंट्स फाइनल लारी पेज आया Next for team 3. Next team. You know this guy. Stu Balma. Sure? 5, 4. Dennis Ritchie without Dari, hai na? 3, 2, 1. Stu Balma, ya pass? Pass, 0. And the answer is Jarvis Strostrup. Okay, last team. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. क्या पास है कितने इजी क्वेश्चन तुम्हें आ रहे हैं टाइम अप एनीवन टू ट्राई लेट मी गिव यू अ हिंट ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ यूनिक्स ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ बी लैंग्वेज ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ गो लैंग्वेज केन थॉमसन he's working for Google. Okay, next, this team, next round. Huh? Founder of Oracle. Sure? Okay, 2 points. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Answer anyone to try? He's a co-founder of Microsoft. Paul Allen. Next, last team. Huh? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Answer? Eric Schmidt, the first CEO of Google. Marissa Mayer. Achha, which company bought Yahoo? Verizon. Pranam Mistry. In the movie Social Network, Sean Parker, founder of Napster. Founder of Wikipedia, Jimmy Wales. Okay, that's the quiz round, and the winner is. Yeah, it's Team 2. Congrats. And Team 2 will get some goodies. Some goodies. So I hope you enjoyed the quiz.